Hi everybody, this video we'll be going through how to install Creo parametric on your own personal machine. So the first place we need to start is Blackboard. So if you head on over to NGD 1109, you'll be able to come to module information. You'll see these links for some of the student software that you can download. So if you click on Creo, it will take you through to the PTC website, and what you need to do is click on University here. Okay, so once you do that, you'll then be confronted with this page that says Creo 5.0 overview, and what you need to do is basically fill in all your required information here. For school/institution, use De Montfort University, and for your email address we recommend using your student email. Okay, that's fine. So once you've filled all that in, accepted the acknowledgement, you click submit. You'll then go through to a download page. Okay, so that will then allow you to start downloading the software. Once you hit submit, you'll then go through to a download page. This will then lead you to a PDF file. So this is the file that you should see, and it basically gives you the step-by-step guide as to how to install the software. And the first thing that you need to do is download PTC Creo 5.0 DVD image. So if you click on that, you'll go through to this screen here that says PTC Academic Program. Click here and then press continue. You'll then go through to the various versions that you can download. The latest version that we can get a license for at the moment is 5.0, but that may change, so keep a lookout on the previous screens to inform you as to which one to choose. So at the moment I'm just going to click Creo 5.0. Okay, and then obviously the file is going to start to download. Okay, so my file has now downloaded, and so what I'm going to do is go into my downloads folder. So if I go downloads, you'll see here that this is the original download. Now it comes as a compressed file, so it's important if you have a look at the PDF file. So we can ignore, if it's a fresh install, we can ignore step 2. Okay, and so what we need to do is unzip the downloaded image. So if we open up our files here, you can see I've already done it, but I'll show you the steps to do that. So if you just right click and go extract all, it will then create it will uncompress all the files and create this folder for you here. So to start the install, you just need to obviously open up this file, and you'll see that it's got a few different setup files. Now the one that you're looking for is just setup. The installation screen will then load up, and what you need to do is obviously click install new software, click next, accept the agreement, and click this box, press next, and then this is where we need to install the license. So you'll find the license on the PDF file. So if we scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see this is your license code, so you can just copy paste that, paste it in, and then click install licensing. And then it's going to ask you for your PTC account information. So just add, you either need to create one or you might have created one earlier. So you just add your information here. I'm just going to cancel because I've already installed the software here. I'm just going to click skip licensing and then press next. Now this is the option where you get to decide the software that you need to install. So I'll just stick with what's pre there and then press install, and it will then put all the software onto the computer for you.